Ever wondered what it takes to keep a data center running smoothly and efficiently? It's a question that might keep IT professionals up at night, but the answer, like many things in life, lies in regular, meticulous maintenance. The world of data centers is complex and ever-evolving. These vast digital warehouses are the backbone of our modern, interconnected world, powering everything from the latest social media platforms to global financial markets. But like any machine, a data center needs regular care and attention to keep it running at peak performance. Now let's delve into some of the best practices in data center maintenance. Firstly, a proactive approach is key. Regular inspections and preventative maintenance can help identify potential issues before they become significant problems. This might involve tasks such as checking for hardware errors, monitoring system performance, and ensuring all software is up to date. Secondly, cleanliness is crucial. Dust and debris can cause considerable damage to sensitive equipment, leading to overheating and potentially catastrophic system failures. Regular cleaning, therefore, is an essential part of data center maintenance. Thirdly, having a well-trained and knowledgeable staff is invaluable. They need to understand the intricacies of the systems they're working with and be able to respond effectively to any issues that might arise. Training should be ongoing, ensuring staff are up to date with the latest technologies and best practices. Lastly, a robust disaster recovery plan is essential. Despite best efforts, problems can and do occur. Having a plan in place ensures that when things do go wrong, recovery can be swift and disruption minimal. Keeping a data center running smoothly is no small task, but with these best practices in mind, it's certainly achievable. Now, if you're looking for a company that embodies these best practices, look no further than Zion Tech Group. Zion Tech Group is a global company that provides data center services, maintenance, and support. They specialize in maintaining data centers and equipment, tape libraries, storages, servers, network equipment, and more. For more news, tips, and information about data centers, storages, servers, and network equipment, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And why not share this video with your friends, colleagues, and family? They might just find it intriguing. To learn more about Zion Tech Group, visit www.ziontechgroup.com. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the key to a smooth running data center lies in regular, meticulous maintenance.